If you're an electrician, 2022 has a lot in store for you. The National Electrical Contractors Association held its 2021 convention recently, and some of the technology presented was simply mind-blowing. So what is some of the best electrical tech to watch out for in 2022, and when will we be able to buy it? Keep watching this video as we'll go over the major highlights from the event. Let's begin. Will this extra protection layer change the electrical world? You heard that right. Battery tools have been blessed with an extra layer of protection that'll be available from next year onwards. At the convention, the developers of insulated battery power tools boasted about their creation as they showed everyone how a 10,000 volt current wouldn't reach the bottom of the tool because of the insulation technology that has been introduced. Several tests were run and the results were all the same. No contact was made between two metal points up to 10,000 volts. The new technology would make handling battery power tools a whole lot safer, even though this is just one addition to the tools. There would still be chances of electrocution, so your safety kit isn't becoming useless anytime soon, but the new insulation layer in tools will make accidents a lot less likely, and that's a good thing. What was the award-winning tool ABB introduced? ABB has always come up with some fantastic technology that has influenced the electrical landscape positively. This time around, they had a whole bunch of things that were definitely praiseworthy. One of those things were the stainless steel fittings that ABB has launched. These fittings are perfect for home environments and have been tested and improved as well. ABB is also the owner of Carlin, which are the boxes that are used in residential environments, and these were also on display during the event. But as for the award-winning new tool, these were safety switches with larger than normal viewing windows. These upgraded safety switches have the addition of extra large windows that will help verify open contacts with just a glance. In fact, the viewing windows that have been added to these are the largest being offered in the market currently, and that was also the reason that ABB is one of the 25 winners at the convention. Not to mention how these safety switches will be a great tool entering 2022 for electricians, as they would ensure quick actions in any situations of emergency, reducing the chances of accidents and damages by a great margin. How will Dewalt make 2022 a better year for electricians? Among Dewalt's coolest new tools is their cable trade cutter that they presented at the recent convention. The representatives for the company were seen boasting the cutter's 100% USA origin. The tool is completely mechanical with no hydraulics inside. The cutter has rotating functions and can make about 10,000 cuts with ease. Then came the time to test the new tool out, and to the onlooker surprise, the new cutter was astonishingly efficient at its job. It made perfect cuts in no time, which means that the job will become a whole lot easier for everyone who gets to use the newest Dewalt cable cutter. That also seems to be the developer's aim, to help users save time with the new and improved technology they've come up with. The representative put on a demonstration for everyone and received encouragement as well as praise. We can't wait for the new cable cutter to make its way towards worldwide availability so that the task of cutting various things becomes easier for everyone. But that's not the only thing that Dewalt is relying on to make the coming year better. One of their tools also ended up winning an award at the NECA convention. That was the highest capacity battery that Dewalt has launched, which is compatible with 20, 60, and 120 volt Dewalt products. But Dewalt has also released some impressive extensions to their current products, such as cloud-based trackers that function through Bluetooth. Schneider comes out with its own innovations. One of the many notable things that Schneider has developed for the coming year is the all-new breaker handle. If you're an electrician watching this video right now, listening to this should be a sigh of relief for you. We've all seen the slim handles that circuit breakers come with, and flipping those can become a total hassle. But Schneider thought about that and tried to come up with a solution. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Schneider circuit breakers will come with convenient handles that have cubic blocks attached on them. This will make it much easier to turn them up or down without making your finger sore. But that's not all. The new circuit breakers will also have an automatic indicator installed, and if there is a tripping, the circuit breaker will blink at you. This means that even in the dark, if anything goes wrong, you'll know exactly where the issue is, and there will be automatic directions for you. Plus, if there are many breakers around you, you'll know which one had tripped with ease. The Flexset. The Flexset deserves a mention of its own. This new technology will multiply the convenience of your job as an electrician or electrical engineer. The Flexset is basically a set of pre-manufactured switchboards in the form of a huge panel of switchboards within enclosures. What the Flexset would do is save the time you spend on bringing in an entire switchboard that's already built and ready. Instead, you can just order what you need in your switchboard and still bag that UL listing without wasting time on preparing the switchboard yourself. You can just focus on your work and install and make the whole thing by yourself. Schneider has also worked with UL to be able to enable the new technology as a modular system. The Flexset would be something huge in the electrical world, and it's a technology that can already be seen to be valuable in the future. The features of the new equipment can be looked up, and they've all been put together with full consideration of the work of electricians and electrical engineers, making the Flexset a reliable tool. The Energy Center. Schneider also showed off one of its energy centers that it's actually intended for micro microgrid usage. However, there's technology and a screen as well as software that comes with it. This technology makes it possible for the Energy Center to identify the most suitable source of power to pull energy from when you're using multiple power sources. So be it gensets, generators, battery power, solar power, or any other source of energy, the new Schneider Energy Center would know where and when to pull the energy. This would also allow it to follow load shedding timings and make it a very time-saving tool for future usage. The new Energy Center is a highly intelligent piece of technology that could help entire power networks with smooth operation, which is why Schneider deserves a special mention for this one too. The hardware itself is pretty advanced with as much consideration for convenience as possible. There is no way that this new tool won't get big on the market given all of its innovative features and of course the terrific software. The Energy Center was displayed at the NECA as well and managed to win the Showstopper Award out of all the advanced Schneider tools. The smallest version was brought to the event and the exterior had different controls for different kinds of energies that can be used. A separate control for solar power as well as gensets was also seen. The representative then explained the workings of the center, which astonished the onlookers even more. Who were the other winners at the NECA convention? There were a total of 25 winners who secured the Showstopper Award, and apart from the ones that we've already mentioned, here are some more tools that you need to watch out for in the upcoming year. The company 3M showcased its Warning Tape 7900 series at the event, which will greatly reduce the safety risks of digging underground near utility lines. It has a visual verification system that will confirm safety beforehand. On the other hand, the company American Conduit displayed its Pull Ease EMT, which adds a ridge design to make pulling wire more convenient without the loss of lubrication. American Polywater Corporation came out with its PGKD modular seal that is the world's only modular seal that visually informs individuals whether the seal has been fully tightened. It also has no loose parts. Ferret Tools also came out with the Ferret Plus, which is a wireless inspection camera as well as built-in memory with voltage detectors and variable focus lenses. Lakeland Industries displayed its advanced high-performance waffle hoodie, which comes with a neck gaiter. The fabric is excellent and it'll increase your insulation even further with a moisture-wicking technology. The new waffle hoodie will also make operations a whole lot safer for its users. If you're already an electrician running your own business or just about to start and grow your own electrical business, you must learn the 4 critical things electrical business owners wish they had learned before starting an electrical business so you don't make the same mistakes. Electrician Accelerator has put together a free training video you can watch for free right now that will show you exactly how to start, grow, and build your electrical business the right way so you can consistently guarantee profitable work, free up your time, all while reducing stress levels and allowing you to have sustainable and more profitable business that works for you. In this free training video, you will also learn how to generate a steady stream of jobs on demand and with predictability month after month in your local area without relying on word of mouth and referrals, how to stop competing on price with other electricians and escape your competition, how to convert at least 90% of your quotes and estimates into sales, and how to command premium prices and attract high-quality customers that will be happy to pay more. Click on the link on the description below the video. That was it for today's video. Which new technology was your favorite out of all? And what type of technology can you envision for the future? We'll see you in the next video.